live at Pier Stadium. Okay. Right.
By a lonely prison wall, I heard a young girl calling. Michael, they are taking you away, for you stole Trevelyan's cord.
Okay, so Bressie, just turn the chair. Which way do you need to go? What kind of advice does she need on that?
Yeah, let's pretend we're on The Voice.
I certainly wouldn't laugh in the middle. It feels like, were you laughing at the end there?
Just forget the laughter, Bressie and Louise. Let's go back to the actual vocals.
In a heartbeat.
I'm into it.
I bring you in. Your timbre was stunning. Your control of your vocal was stunning. Your delivery was impassioned.
There was joy in your voice.
It was joy in your voice. You understand the emotion of the song. I'm absolutely 100% not picking you.
Oh my God, you really had me going there.
You're too good. You're too good for this show, Oonagh. You're too good for this show.